How to delete your Instacart account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Instacart account. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your browser and you want to search in for instacart.com. Once you do so, you should head into your Instacart official website here, and first what you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then you want to simply tap on help option here. You should get the help option. If you scroll down below under support, you can see help center option. Simply tap on it. Now here what you want to do is you want to scroll down below until you find the option profile and account settings. As you can see here on the screen, you want to simply tap on profile and account settings. Now here you want to scroll all the way down below and you can see get help options. Simply tap on get help and you'll be able to chat here. Now you want to simply ask him to delete your account. Delete account here. You want to simply tap on it, and then once you tap on it here, you want to send it and it'll show you deleting your account and account deletion. Simply tap on it and it should take you to account deletion options here. That will show you these options. So the only way to delete your Instacart account is to chat with Instacart here. So you'll have to contact them directly and you'll have to ask them to delete your account, and this is the only way. So this way you can delete your account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.